This video will demonstrate GrITS for ProcessBook with the DeltaV Graphics plugin. The computer converting the graphics will need the following installed: ProcessBook with connectivity to the Pi server, DeltaV Operate, more details on that in just a moment, GrITS for ProcessBook, access to the GRF files, which are the DeltaV graphic files. The computer does not have to be on the same network as your DeltaV control system. Once your system has ProcessBook installed and connectivity to the Pi server, you will need to install DeltaV Operate. For this demonstration, we'll be using media from the DeltaV 10.3 Digital Automation Suite to install DeltaV Simulate. GrITS for ProcessBook uses automation interfaces from ProcessBook and DeltaV Operate. DeltaV Simulate, which includes DeltaV Operate installed in standalone mode, is the preferred environment for running GrITS for ProcessBook, since DeltaV Simulate does not require any direct access to the DeltaV control system's network. Take the default install path as you install DeltaV. The critical selection for DeltaV Simulate is on this dialog. Select Simulate for standalone workstation or laptop, which will install a standalone version of DeltaV with DeltaV Operate. Once DeltaV is installed, launch the program by selecting DeltaV, Operator, and DeltaV Login. You will enter the appropriate username and password, click OK, and then click DeltaV Operate. Once DeltaV Operate launches, it can be minimized. Now, open ProcessBook and select the GrITS for ProcessBook icon. Once this launches, browse to the appropriate file location and select the GRF file. Make sure your Pi server is connected, select an appropriate tag map file, and ensure you have a default Pi tag selected, then press Go. The DeltaV displays can take a minute or so to convert, depending on the complexity of the graphics. Once completed, you will have a new display in ProcessBook that is a mimic of the original DeltaV display, complete with Pi tag matches and navigation links. We thank you for your time. If there are any questions, please feel free to contact us.